Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each type of ear defenders or muffs in this video will offer different options depending on which specific function, like hearing protection and comfort, meet your safe workwear needs or pockets best. Plus, there is an extra safety product at the end that we think you might be interested in. Our specialist team analysed a wide range of defenders and made these recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. So let's get started. The ear protectors coming in at number 5 are the Vanderfields Ear Defenders. These ear defenders are perfect for working in any harsh environment, made with 2 layers of proprietary noise dampening foam in the solid cup design to reduce up to 125 decibels, so ideal to block out noise. They come in 9 colours and are lightweight and compact, folding down to minimise bulk, so really portable, robust and being easy to carry and use anywhere. The Vanderfields Ear Defenders have an adjustable, retractable headband that can tilt or swivel to fit, with a 1/2 inch foam cushion synthetic covering that is simple to clean, ensuring they are always comfy and snug to wear. Number 4 on our list of recommendations is the 3M PELTOR X5A over-the-head earmuffs. These earmuffs come in a range of colours and are for industrial use, being designed to provide comfort and protection. The height adjusts fully enclose your ears and seal tightly against your head for a comfortable fit. The ear cup has specially formulated foam and pivot points that tilt for efficiency to be secure and snug to wear without squeezing your head too tightly, and the twin band design reduces heat buildup. The 3M PELTOR X5A over-the-head earmuffs ensure proper equipment hygiene. They have replaceable ear cushions and foam liners. The multi-purpose ear defenders coming in at number 3 is the ClearArmor 141001 safety earmuffs. These noise reduction earmuffs have a sonic seal where the sound blocker shell reflects sound off the ear cup and is welded to the sound ring to prevent sound leakage and dampen sound waves into the ear cup. Its padded headband is adjustable to fit large or small heads, meaning these earmuffs provide long wearing comfort and are engineered to last. The ClearArmor safety earmuffs have super soft foam cushions to seal comfortably around your ears, so each cup tilts and swivels to snugly fit. In second place is the ProCase noise reduction safety earmuffs. These earmuffs offer effective noise suppression with an NRR 28 decibel rating to filter out sounds to a minimum using pressure diffuser technology for hearing protection. It has a breathable, adjustable headband and soft 360-degree rotatable ear cups, providing a snug, comfortable fit for a variety of head sizes, leaving no gap so the noise is at a workable level, protecting your ears from potential damage. The ProCase noise reduction safety earmuffs are perfect for loads of various applications, from operating heavy machinery, woodworking to construction, as they are easy to fold and lightweight to carry in a tool bag or backpack, plus they are available in 9 different colours. Finally, the ear defenders that we recommend in the number 1 spot are the 3M WorkTunes Connect Hearing Protector. These ear defenders offer 28 decibel hearing protection for your ears with a low profile, lightweight design with soft ear cushions and a comfy, flexible headband for extended wear. It has Bluetooth wireless technology that seamlessly lets you conveniently take or make phone calls, and it has a built-in rechargeable battery with auto shut off and low battery indicator. The 3M WorkTunes Connect Hearing Protector provides hearing protection in noisy environments whilst you stream your music or podcasts from your smartphone, and the single button interface can be used even with your gloves on. The extra this week that fits with the safety workwear theme is the DEWALT Concealer Clear Anti-Fog Safety Goggle. These safety goggles provide protection and comfort with a soft dual injected rubber seal plus an elastic cloth head strap for a secure fit. The DEWALT DPG 8211C Concealer Clear Anti-Fog Dual Mold Safety Goggle has 99% UV protection and a hard seal anti-fog hard coat lens to prevent scratches and fogging that could prevent vision obstruction. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful safety workwear tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.